Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to view your compromised passwords on Google Chrome. This is an important step to make sure your account stays secure and that none of your saved passwords have been exposed in a data breach. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Whether you're on your computer, phone, or tablet, the steps are quite similar. Once Chrome is open, head to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu icon that opens your Chrome settings and features. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage everything from your privacy options to saved passwords. Next, scroll down and tap on Password Manager. This is the section where Chrome stores all your saved passwords, allowing you to quickly log into your favorite websites and manage your security details. Inside the Password Manager, look near the bottom for an option labeled Checkup. Go ahead and tap on that. The Checkup feature automatically scans your saved passwords to see if any of them may have been compromised in a known data breach or if they're considered weak or reused. After that, tap on Compromised Passwords. This is where you'll see a list of any passwords that Chrome has detected as being exposed. Each entry will show which site was affected and give you an option to update your password directly.